Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a Skype account. So open any web browser and search here Skype. Now here click on this first link skype.com. Now here click on sign in. Click on my account. New to Skype, click on sign up. Select here use your email. If you don't have already, so click on get a new email address. Type your email address. Select here outlook.com or hotmail.com. Then click on next. Enter the password. Click on next. Enter the first name and last name. Click on next. Now click on next. Pick one square that shows two identical objects. Check this box, then click on yes. So this way guys, you can create your Skype account. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. If you need to learn more, check out some useful videos about Skype in my channel.